Hi guys, it's Miss Tiffany again. Valerie. And what was I gonna say?
I don't know. What were we gonna say?
What were we gonna say, Valerie?
I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe we should think. Tiffany was gonna say.
We're gonna sing a song, I think, or something.
A song. What song?
Try Sleeping with a Broken Heart.
By who?
Alicia Keys.
Oh wow, I love that song.
Alicia Keys.
It's just so beautiful, so gorgeous,
And
brings up the light
I
in
just
me.
want to sleep with a broken heart. Every night.
We should try sleeping with a broken heart. Huh?
We should.
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 We should. Just give it to me. Just kidding. Let's do it, babe. Let's do it, babe. Even if you're miles away, I can still feel you in my bed. Near me, touch me, feel me. And even if I'm at the bottom of the sea, I can still hear inside my bed telling me, touch me, feel me. And all the time you were telling lies, yeah. So tonight, I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Tonight, I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. I'm gonna hold on till the times that we had tonight. I'm gonna find a way tonight without you. Have you ever tried sleeping with a broken heart? Well, you should try sleeping in my bed. Lonely, on me, nobody here will show me like you. You are the clown that makes my body feel like heaven now. Why don't you hold me near me? Thought you told me you'd never leave me. Looking in the sky and feel your face, and I'm right where I fit in. Take me, make me. You know that I'll always be alive. Till the end. Till the end. The end. So tonight, I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Tonight, I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Tonight, I'm gonna hold on to the times that we had. Okay. Anybody could have told me right from the start it's about to fall apart. So rather hold on to a broken dream or just hold on to love. Love. I can find a way to make it. So hold on too tight. I'll make it without you tonight. So tonight, I'm gonna find a way to make it without you tonight. I'm gonna I'm gonna hold on to the times that we had tonight. I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Just give it to me. Just give it to me. Just give it to me. I let the play the piano till it's part.
Can't sleep deep.
Look at Tiffany Valerie singing the song. We look just like straight G's with a thong. Oh. Valerie and Tiffany are so beautiful. You look just like my big fat toe. Now go to your mom's house. You like a stupid asshole. You know you like us. You big fat motherfucking bus.
You look like your motherfucking cousin.
You look like my motherfucking cousin, Valerie Renee Gonzalez and Tiffany Amber Montoya.
You're not putting that on.
Yeah, we are, dude. Yes, we are putting this on.
No, we're not putting.
Okay, let's put another song on, Valerie.
What song do you want to
it?
sing? I want to sing a Chris Brown song.
A Chris
I hate this
Brown
part.
song.
I hate. Oh.
Wait, we're gonna play the song. Do you like
Mad.
Wait, do you like Superhuman?
Yeah, by Chris Brown and Carrie Hilson.
Yes, I like the song.
I like that song very much, actually.
I like it too.
It reminds me of a Superhuman.
Superhuman, just like
Hey, Jeremiah wrote you.
Jeremiah wrote me?
Jeremiah. You used to get on that tiny chat?
He's not.
Say, my cousin thinks you're hot. My cousin thinks you're hot.
Wait.
We should. You want to be the girl or the boy?
I have been crying and crying for weeks.
You make us fun. Okay. Well, we need the actual song, Tiffany.
No, we have to do it instrumental so people can hear our fucking voices.
I don't have the fucking lyrics.
Well, put the fucking lyrics on, you dumb bitch!
Fuck!
Fuck you!
Fuck your mom!
I already did!
That's fucking disgusting.
I would never fuck my mom. Nope, never in my life. Never. What the fuck is it called? Superhuman.
I can't sing good though, Tiffany. I cannot sing good.
Nobody fucking cares. It's just gonna be like a funny spoof video, you know?
A
like
spoof.
a spoof.
A spoof.
A parody. A parody.
How do we know what is Chris Brown and what
This is Chris Brown. When
Oh.
I tap you, that means it's my part.
Okay.
Let's see what these assholes are saying.
Danny said,
Hey, is it true you're gonna make a movie with Shia? Yes, ma'am.
Fact, if you're using bleach to clean your toilet, you're not
Fact.
covering the whole bowl. With
What
this
the
stage
fuck?
cure dye,
What the
you can
fuck
see
is
what
this?
clean bleach leaves behind.
It's a fucking
But look how
commercial!
our
Well,
toilet
we need to fucking turn it off.
Well, I didn't mean for that shit to come on. Like, it just automatically popped
Hey,
up.
pause this. We should really do a real video singing this song because I'm being serious right now. I'm in the mood to sing a song.
Okay, well, we're gonna sing a song and we're gonna post this one up so you guys can just make fun of us. And this next song, we're gonna sing for reals, like
For real.
so serious, okay?
For sure.
Okay, we love you.